lesson, we're gonna learn these kanjis. You. Ta. The first kanji is you. So, this kanji illustrates moon in the evening sky. This is kanji you, meaning evening. Moon-chan, it looks like katakana ta. Yes, they have the same root. There's also no difference as to how you write it. So, we judge using context. Then let's learn the definition. This kanji means evening. How do we read this kanji? Onyomi is seki. Kunyomi is you. An example word is yuhi. An example sentence. 海で見た夕日は綺麗だった。Then next is 多い。Moon-chan said there were many moons in the sky. This is kanji 多い。The definition of this kanji is many. Onyomi is た。Kunyomi is 多い。An example word is 多い。こっちの方が多い。